Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an expense invoice. To get started, you're going to want to go up to the Accounting tab in the upper left menu and go over to the Money Out tab in the upper right corner, and you can select either property expense or a general expense. General expense is typically going to be associated with a management entity for things like perhaps ink, toner, printer paper, office supplies, that sort of thing. Property expense is going to be an expense directly related to the property. In this case, we'll select property expense. From here, you're going to want to enter in all of the information associated with the invoice. Let's go ahead and do that now. All right, we have entered in all of the information associated with this property expense invoice. It is an appliance. It is a microwave. We had to buy a part to repair the microwave for $121, and we paid it on 5/16. We want to mark it as paid as well. We paid it to Home Depot. From there, we'll simply select Create. Here, we're going to mark how we paid it. We paid it via a credit card. And again, we can upload a receipt if we want to here and select Confirm. Success, you have created a property expense invoice. And that is how easy it is to create an expense invoice on TenantCloud. To get started for free, just go to tenantcloud.com and click Sign Up Today.